This place in Accra, Ghana is called Circle. I think these bridges are the Kwame Nkrumah Bridge. I think that's what they are called. This place is reputed as one of, if not the roughest parts of Ghana. I heard a lot of sketchy things happen in this place and I decided to go find out myself. I'll be taking a walk in Circle with my phones out to see if this place is as dangerous as it is touted to be. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afam. So guys, I'm currently in one of the most dangerous places in Accra. You know, they said this place is very dangerous, that if you're coming here, you need to shine your eyes. Stop it. No. Go. That if you're coming here, you need to shine your eyes, you need to be careful, hold your phones very well, hold your purses, hold your wallets. You know, because the story we hear is that they are going to take it from you. You know, as a Nigerian, that's one of the stories you hear when you're going to certain places in Lagos, like Oshodi, for example. You know, they tell you how dangerous these places are. So, I'm going to Circle. I'm actually close. So, I'm walking there to actually see what people are talking about. I want to know how dangerous it really is. You know, sometimes I feel like, you know, when people say things like, be careful in this particular place, I feel like sometimes there's a little bit of exaggeration. So while these things happen, they make it seem as if, you know, once you're passing, you know, you're 70% more likely to be mugged or something. But anyway, I don't know, because I've never been to Circle before. So let's go and find out. So we're close to Circle. Actually, this area is around the STC, where you have STC bus. The bus that conveys people to different parts of Ghana and some parts of West Africa as well. Like Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire, and Ouagadougou, Burkina Faso. So I'm actually around there. Meanwhile guys, let me show you my new favorite snack in Ghana. Can you see it? Egg and pepper. I can't remember the name again, but that name sounds kind of difficult to pronounce. Let's see what it looks like. Always bangs. So we are around the Circle, but this is not the Circle Bridge. It's just a stone throw from here. Wow. Actually, today is a public holiday, so I think this place is usually busier than this. think this is the most central place in Accra. When I say central, I mean like a place that if you get lost, just find your way to Circle. You'll probably get buses going to any part of Ghana. So far, so good. So guys, I just successfully left Circle. All my valuables are intact. Nothing happened. Although today is Easter Monday and it's public holiday in Ghana, so the people at Circle were not so much. It's not as busy as it would be on a normal day because I've seen videos of what it looks like on a weekday. You understand? So maybe that is why, I don't know. Tell me your experiences at, if you're a Ghanaian and you live in Accra, or even non-Ghanaians in Accra, tell me what your experience has been. Let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, share, also subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.